Beginner's Guide to Successful Vegetable Gardening. Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, a beginner's guide to successful vegetable gardening. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more gardening tips. Now, let's get started. First things first, choosing the right location. Most veggies love sunlight, so pick a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day. Now, let's talk soil. Good, well-draining soil is crucial. Test your soil's pH and amend it if needed. Vegetables prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. Choosing the right vegetables is key. Consider your climate and planting zone. Start with easy-to-grow options like tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers. When planting, follow recommended spacing. And remember, consistency is key with watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, adjusting based on weather and specific plant needs. Don't forget to feed your plants. Use a balanced fertilizer or one formulated for veggies. Follow the instructions and be careful not to over-fertilize. Pests can be a challenge. Regularly check for pests and consider using natural methods like neem oil, companion planting, or introducing beneficial insects. To prevent diseases, practice good garden hygiene. Remove debris regularly, choose disease-resistant varieties, and consider crop rotation. When it's time to harvest, pick at the right maturity for each veggie. Use clean, sharp tools, and remember, frequent harvesting encourages continued production. Lastly, extend your growing season. Use row covers, cold frames, or even a greenhouse to protect your plants from frost. And try planting early and late season varieties. And there you have it. Answers to some of beginner gardeners' frequently asked questions. I hope these tips help you grow a bountiful garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out my other gardening videos. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!